Gaelic's not a language. It refers to 3 different languages. So I live in Scotland, agus ha Gaelic acum. I speak Scottish Gaelic. This language predates the arrival of English in this country, and that is why you find Gaelic everywhere. Places, people's names, objects, turns of phrases. If you've ever said the Loch Ness Monster, you've spoken Gaelic. Loch is a Gaelic word. If, however, you get a boat to Ireland, you'll find them speaking Gaelic, more commonly known as Irish. If you're talking about Gaelic while in Ireland, though, some people, particularly in Ulster, will understand that you're referring to the language
Gaelic.
Most will assume you are talking about the sport. The third branch of Gaelic can be found on the Isle of Man, a small island between Ireland and Great Britain, where you'll find speakers of Gaelic, better known as Manx. Sadly, it went extinct as a first language in 1974, but has since been revived and now has a few thousand speakers. So how are you meant to tell the difference? It's all about the context. If you're in Scotland and you see this word written down, or you're watching Outlander, or you're listening to my band, Google, that's Gaelic, or in English, Scottish Gaelic. If you're in Ireland or listening to Kneecap, that's Gaelic, Irish. To be clear, all 3 of these, Gaelic, Gaelic and Gaelic, are separate languages. They have similarities, but they are not mutually understandable. They all descend from Middle Irish and became their own distinct written and spoken languages about 800 years ago.